Welcome to the medicine channel. Let's start the slide series. Topic: Arteriolosclerosis. Time for disclaimer. A patient presenting with systemic blood pressure being high is diagnosed clinically as systemic hypertension. Pathological changes of systemic hypertension is seen primarily in the arteries, to be specific, the arterioles. Let's take generalized tissue specimen and see the slide of tissue sections stained with hematoxylin and eosin. Upon staining, the arteriolar wall appears thickened. This thickening is due to deposition of homogeneous, amorphous, acellular, proteinaceous hyaline material, and it stains pink with eosin. The arteriolar wall thickening leads to second significant change, the narrowing of lumen. Arteriolar wall thickening and narrowing of lumen is seen in early systemic hypertension, and this is hyaline arteriolosclerosis. Let's see the pathological basis behind hyaline arteriolosclerosis. In an arteriole, systemic hypertension causes hemodynamic changes. This causes damage to the arteriolar wall by splitting of internal elastic lamina, which further allows plasma proteins to be leaked out across endothelial cell damage. As a compensatory remodeling response, there is also an increase in synthesis of matrix by smooth muscle cells. And additional immune inflammatory response also leads to the protein deposition. All these changes progresses to multiple protein deposition in the region, leading to hyaline thickening, thus causing narrowing of the lumen. As systemic hypertension becomes severe, let's see another tissue section slide on hematoxylin and eosin staining. The arteriolar wall shows concentric circles of laminated layers called onion skin thickening. This arteriolar wall thickening also leads to narrowing of lumen. Concentric laminated onion skin thickening of arteriolar wall and narrowing of lumen seen in severe systemic hypertension is called hyperplastic arteriolosclerosis. Let's see the pathological basis behind hyperplastic arteriolosclerosis. Severe systemic hypertension causes additional hemodynamic stress changes, leading to repeated and chronic damage to the arteriolar wall. This causes a subendothelial edema and increase in smooth muscle cells SMC proliferation, followed by thickening of the basement membrane. Repeated damage cause SMC proliferation and basement membrane thickening to superimpose in multiple layers. This thickened reduplicated basement membrane is responsible for onion skin thickening and thus causing the narrowing of lumen. Hyaline arteriolosclerosis is seen in early benign systemic hypertension, and hyperplastic arteriolosclerosis is seen in severe systemic hypertension. And that concludes the presentation. Ending on a social note, be empathetic to animals. Universe has given them equal rights to survive alongside us. Let's learn to be kind to them too. And signing off for now.